Of course. So, yeah.
I never had a problem with, you know, what other kind of addictions are there. As far as addictions I've not had, I mean, there was, I'm blind. I'm blind. Sometimes you end up in less fancy treatments, like like say a Salvation Army. The patients are prison transfers. Shower next to a guy named Thud.
Dear Lord, I know I've been bad, but please ask this 300-pound crackhead next to me to stop masturbating. It's inappropriate. Amen.
One good thing about coming to India, I got rid of the drug problem. Oof. Gone. No more.
Amazing
My fingers are bleeding. Anyways, my point is, some people spend a lot of money to get rid of their, well, let's call it their monkey on their back. I don't know if you all know I had a bit of a drug problem. I got that sucker. It's yeah, it's gone. So that's good. I shouldn't look at the sun this long. This seems excessive.